Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It's Tuesday morning, October 1, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. Major indexes were choppy heading into Powell's afternoon remarks at a conference in Nashville, Tennessee. They turned lower shortly after he started speaking, but later recovered to end the day in the green. Both the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones lumbered to a record high close on Monday, rebounding from a brief setback after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said the U.S. central bank is in no hurry to implement further interest rate cuts. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell signaled he was in no hurry to make further interest rate cuts while re-emphasizing that the overall economy remains on solid footing. Powell said the central bank will lower interest rates over time. U.S. stocks capped off a strong quarter by edging higher on Monday. For the quarter, the S&P 500 rose 5.5%. The Nasdaq gained 2.6% and the Dow climbed 8.2%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 17 points or 0.04% to 42,330. The S&P 500 gained 24 points or 0.42% at 5,762. And the Nasdaq Composite advanced 69 points or 0.38% to 18,189 on Monday. CVS Health rose 2.4% after reports showed hedge fund Glenview Capital Management will meet top executives at the healthcare company to propose ways to improve operations. Auto shares slumped as Ford Motor fell 2%, while General Motor dropped 3.5%. In other corporate highlights, Verizon Communications Incorporated, the biggest wireless carrier in the US, has agreed to sell thousands of mobile phone towers to digital infrastructure firm Vertical Bridge. DirecTV and Dish have agreed to combine in a deal that will create the biggest pay TV provider in the US. Elsewhere, European stocks dropped some 1% after Jeep maker Stellantis NV cut its profit margin forecast. On Friday, Volkswagen AG had issued its second profit warning in 3 months. Stellantis stock slid more than 12%. That was in contrast to the mood in China, where the CSI 300 index jumped as much as 9.1%, the most since 2008, fueled by a stimulus package. Japan's Nikkei 225 index lost 4.8%, its worst day in 8 weeks. Treasury yields climbed after Powell's comments. The yield on the 10-year note settled at 3.798%, up from 3.75% on Friday. The 2-year yield, more sensitive to the near-term outlook for short-term rates, rose to 3.648% from 3.562%. In commodities, West Texas Intermediate crude was little changed. Spot gold fell 1% to $2,631 an ounce. The markets are hoping that a soft landing could actually happen as they await key economic reports due this week, including jobless claims and monthly payrolls. That's it for today, folks. See you tomorrow morning. In the meantime, let us know in the comment section what are your thoughts for the market. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.